If you want to be a more effective teacher or trainer, then I think there is one critical piece of equipment that's inexpensive, easy to use, and will make all the difference in the world of how you teach and train people. Welcome everybody, my name is Frank and I'm glad that you're here. The device I'm talking about is a drawing tablet, and I'm going to talk about that in a few moments. First, let's look at why I think that it's such an important device for everybody to have and how it can fit into a classroom environment. Let's take a look at a typical classroom or training environment. In a traditional classroom or training environment, we're going to have a whiteboard or a board at the front of the class. We're going to use a whiteboard marker or chalk to go up there to draw ideas, to build on ideas, to construct concepts, and really help students understand what we're trying to share with them. This is great, it's traditional, it's been used for many years, and it's quite effective. But it does have some major problems that we can overcome. The first problem that we have is when we erase it, it's gone forever. The second problem we have is as the size of the classroom grows, the people at the back of the room are going to have a harder time seeing what's at the front of the room. So how do we solve this problem? Well, a lot of times we'll put a screen into the classroom and a projector. This is a great solution for some of the problems that we're experiencing, because now what I can do is I can take my laptop, connect it to the projector, and project to the front of the class whatever's on my laptop. But then I'm also limited because I'm going to normally project PowerPoint presentations, and those are going to be as interesting as I make them, but they're not going to be the same as drawing and constructing and having that ad hoc feeling of building on ideas from questions that I'm getting. We want to merge those worlds together. It solves the problem of saving the material because I can share the PowerPoint with everybody at the end of the class, but it doesn't give me the ability to construct ideas dynamically and in real time. So what can I do? It's actually very easy. All I do is I take a laptop and I attach a drawing tablet to that laptop. And then I can even extend this out by running this within a Zoom or a Teams meeting. And then I can project it onto the front of the screen, the class at the front, project it to the screen at the front of the class. And then I can also have students, no matter where they are, join that team or Zoom's meeting and also tune into it on their laptop. So this gives me the ability to not only have what I'm doing at the front of the screen projected, but it's now in front of every single student using whatever device they're using. Plus, I can use a stylus. So by using a stylus, I can draw on the tablet using handwriting, build on notes, do the constructive type of learning that I want to do. And then to make it even more exciting, I can actually have people that aren't even in the classroom tune in, and I can start the foundation of a hybrid classroom where I'm not only teaching in a building in one location, but if somebody's unable to come in, I can start doing hybrid type of environments. There's a little more to the hybrid environment, and I have some videos coming up on that, but the tablet is the foundation. The tablet I'm using right now is a tablet by a company called NearHub. It's an inexpensive tablet. It comes with, of course, a stylus. I can draw on the tablet. And if you want to see the tablet itself, I have another video, I'll link to it, where I unbox this. But the tablet is key to modernizing our classroom and reaching a wider audience. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Here's a video where I unbox the NearHub S13 tablet. And here's a video where I show you how I'm using it with their whiteboard software.